In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the PWCrack challenges on PicoCTF. If you don't know what PicoCTF is, it's basically a gym for computer nerds that's completely free and has challenges in various categories that will help you build ethical hacking, penetration testing, and coding skills. Check it out at the link in the description. So now let's get into the challenge. So basically, it's all we have to do is crack the password to unlock an encrypted flag. Gave us some hints here, and we're going to go ahead and download the password checking script here and the flag here. Let's start by right clicking on this, copying the link address, and going over here, making a new directory. And then entering that directory. Now let's go ahead and run a command called wget, and then let's paste in that link we just grabbed. And there we go. We have our password checking script. Now let's go ahead and get the flag in the same way. And let's just run this, and then let's just check and make sure they're both here. And yeah, they're both in here. Let's go ahead and run this Python script here. It looks like it wants us to get a password for that flag. Let's go ahead and take a look at that script now. And it looks like here's a function. It says it will not help us find the flag. Here's the actual script that will run. Oh, here we go. If user underscore password equals this value, it'll unlock. So let's just go ahead and copy that, run it again, and paste that in there. And just like that, we get our flag. Now, let's go ahead and grab it, hop back over here, and submit it. Cool. Now let's move on to PWCrack 2. It says, can you crack the password to get the flag? Download the password checker here, and you need the encrypted flag in the same directory. Does that encoding look familiar? The string XOR function does not need to be reversed. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab this. Head on over to our web shell. Let's cd back to our home directory. Let's make a new directory. And then let's go in there. Then let's run the wget. Paste that in again. There we go. Now let's grab our flag in the same way. And then let's make sure we've got them both. Yep and yep. Let's run this script to see what happens. And it prompts us for a password again. Let's take another look at that. Let's see here. Okay. Please enter your password if user password equals, you know what? I think this is hexadecimal encoding. So we're going to go ahead and grab this. We're going to start a Python 3 terminal. We're going to go ahead and just put this right in there. And here's our password, I think. Let's grab that, run the script again. Paste that passcode in, and we've got our flag. Let's go ahead and head back over here, paste it in again, and submit it. And we have solved it. Now for password crack 3, hopefully things will get a little bit more difficult here. Same thing, crack the password to get the flag, download the password checker here. You'll need the encrypted flag, and this time a hash. There are 7 potential passwords, with 1 being correct. You can find these by examining the password checker script. Let's see, what do we got? To view the level 3 hash file, do that. To exit BVI, type Q and press enter. The string export function does not need to be reverse engineered again. Okay. Let's go ahead and cd into our home directory and make a new directory. And then let's go ahead and get in there. Now let's go ahead and grab our password checker. And then let's grab our flag. And then let's grab our hash. Let's list them all out. And we have our flag, our hash, and our script. I'm not going to bother running the script this time. Instead, we're going to take a look at one of these hints. To view the level 3 hash.bin file in the web shell, do bvi level 3 hash.bin. Okay, let's go ahead and grab that. And it also looks like if you type Q and press enter, you can quit. Okay, that's good to know. Let's go ahead and do that. Run that. Okay. I'm not sure what all this is, but it'll come in handy. I might try to write a script that'll just hash each of these the same way that it would hash it in here and compare it with the correct hash, and we'll see what happens. I'll come back when I've done that. All right, I just finished the script. Let's see if it works. That is our password. Maybe. Yes! By the way, the reason I'm so excited about this is because this took a while. I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside of that hasher script. I'm going to be uploading it to a GitHub file if you're interested. But first, let's see if this even worked. And there we go. Our flag is correct. Now, I'm just going to real quick cat that hasher script for you so you can sit and briefly explain it. Basically, what this does is it imports the hash library, the library hashlib, which you will use to hash them. Then I just basically copied this hash password function from the other code. And then I made a list of passwords, which was all the potential passwords that were available in the code. Then I went ahead and set the hash equal to the same thing that it was equal to in the code, reading from that hash file as binary. Then just uses a simple for loop to hash each password, compare it to hash, and print the correct password. And again, all this code will be available on my GitHub library. Just whenever you do run it, make sure you run it in the same directory as the password hash. Otherwise, you might have issues. Now, on to the next challenge. Also, if you don't feel like doing this, you could just brute force your way in by trying each password that they said you could try. But this was more of a learning experience for me than doing that. So, whatever that's worth. Now, password crack 4. Okay, can you crack the password to get the flag? Download the password checker here. You'll need the encrypted flag and the hash in the same directory too. Hints, a for loop can do many things. I think they want me to use a script like I just did. Go back to our home directory. Make another one. Then let's go ahead and download everything. There we go. Now let's make sure everything's here. Then let's go ahead and get my hasher script. Let's go ahead and grab all this. Let's go ahead and make a new one. There we go. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this. Okay, here's all of our possible passwords. Let's go ahead and copy them. Now let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and set our passwords to this big list of passwords here. Okay, cool. Now let's run it. Oh man. Oh, hang on, I just gotta change my file real quick. Make sure you change the hasher to open the file level 4 hash instead of level 3. By the way, I'll be putting both hasher files up on my GitHub page, which I will link to in the description, so check that out. And that's our password. Now let's go ahead and run the and there we go, there's a flag. Let's grab that, head over here, paste it in, and submit it. Alright guys, I guess that concludes today's video. If you liked watching me crack these passwords and you would like to watch me do other PicoCTF challenges, go ahead and let me know by liking this video and leaving comments. Because if this video gets enough traction online, not only will I keep doing this, but I might even start solving them live on Twitch. If you want to see what it really looks like to solve these things without the magic of editing, subscribe for me. And comment telling me how much you want me to do that. And leave lots and lots of likes. Alright guys, I will see you later. Thanks again for watching. Bye.